Hello MUTs! We are going on a birthday yoga adventure filled with gifts, balloons, songs, friends, and fun yoga poses. So put on your biggest smile, take a deep breath, and get ready to celebrate with John. Are you ready for the party? Let's go!
Today, we're going to celebrate John's birthday. Let's bend our toes up and down while wrapping our special presents.
Up and down.
Bend your both the legs at the knee. Lift your right leg up and then down. Up and then down. Continue this for a while.
We need more friends for the surprise party. Let's call everyone together.
Calling all friends. Come.
Let us run to the friend's house to invite them.
Celebrate John's house. Everyone together. Let's sing Happy Birthday. Birthday today to John cuts the birthday cake.
Breathe in through your nose and blow out the candles with your mouth.
Birthday cake. Everyone gets a yummy slice. Thank you for coming. Wow!
There are so many balloons. Place your balloon on your tummy.
As you breathe in, your balloon goes bigger. As you breathe out, your balloon becomes smaller. Let's slowly fill our magical balloon. The party isn't over yet. Let's play a fun birthday jogging game. Jog slowly in the same place. Keep moving and smiling.
Keep can make their balloon reach the sky. Slowly bend forward. Reach towards your toes. Can you grab your balloon?
Raise your both the hands up and let the balloon fly higher. Now slowly bend forward and try to touch your toes. Try to catch the balloon before it touches the ground. Continue this for a while. Step your right foot forward and stretch your left leg back. Place your hands at the level of your shoulder and keep your chest lifted. Look ahead with a big smile and imagine you're chasing a magical birthday balloon. Become a tall mountain and pedal your feet gently. Now swoop down like you're a cobra. Swing back to your mountain and then forward to the cobra. Continue this like waves in the ocean. Wow, young yogis! It was a wonderful birthday party with John. Now it's time to rest our bodies and let our hearts feel happy and peaceful. Lie down comfortably and close your eyes. Imagine soft, colorful balloons floating high in the sky, carrying all our birthday wishes to John. Feel your body becoming quiet and relaxed. Take a slow breath in and a gentle breath out.
Birthday, John. Like, share, and subscribe to see our other yoga adventures.